Charlie, what did you think of the show? I understand you got some cool stuff. I'm all ears.
Okay, yeah, no, it's been a great show.
Yep.
There's so much fun stuff to see and people to meet. Yeah, I got a couple of things here. This is nice because, you know, I'm a big vintage jet fan.
Of course, we all are. Yes.
Modern Air.
Yes. Oh, wow.
So it's a beautiful brochure. I don't know if you can see that lovely picture
That's
there.
amazing,
But what's
actually.
really nice is you've got this amazing fold out.
This is an incredible.
Yeah. So it's a Convair 998. Beautiful.
So this would date from 69?
Yeah, maybe early 70s. Modern Air Convair 990 was the first jet to land on Antarctica.
Correct.
Wow. This is another find. This is a little trailer for a forthcoming book from Astral Horizon Press. I'm not writing it. Sebastian Schmitz is writing it. The book is the story of Interflug, East Germany's airline.
Yes.
And so even though we're actually designing the book in just a couple of weeks, I'm still trawling around looking to find bits of Interflug memorabilia.
Correct, but you know the history of this particular kit, though.
I do not.
So yeah, these models were made in former Soviet Union, East Germany.
East Germany.
So they were mass produced and not too easy to find back in the day.
Right.
Now, of course,
they're
much more
everywhere.
common. Right, but they were the models that were built by interested fans in the 70s and 60s.
In the Eastern Bloc.
Correct.
Amazing.
Yeah, they're very cool kits.
Yeah. So
And
that's,
what are any other interesting tidbits of?
Well, we've got we've had a really good day selling books here. We've still got our Tiger books, but all of my Jetlines of the Red Star is sold out. The Boeing 707 manual sold out, and this is brand new. We're not publishing, but we're selling it in the Northern Hemisphere. The Hotels of Pyongyang.
Oh, very nice.
Designed by fellow tour leader James Scullin. So some beautiful, vivid colours of North Korea there.
This is an amazing book. Yeah, it's not aviation, but it's absolutely fascinating.
So we'll see. Maybe Henry, I can tempt you to pack one in your bag back to Vancouver.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Well.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Charlie,
what about you? Have you had a good show?
Always very enjoyable.
Always very enjoyable.
Models, books have sold. What did I sell? About 17 of my own books.
You've got an incredible new book out.
Yes, the Aircraft Display Model Collector Guide, and I've had a very enjoyable time. I'm looking forward to next year, of course.
Great.
2-day
Same.
show, which I'll be attending. I'm sure you will be.
You bet.
And look forward to seeing you at Gatwick.
See you at Gatwick.
So, Charlie, always a pleasure.
It's great to see you, Henry.
Safe journeys home.
Safe journey to you.
Yep.